To reactivate a Shopify store, follow these steps. First, log into your Shopify account using your email and password. If you are unable to remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset it. Once logged in, click on the store name that you want to reactivate. If your store is closed, you will see a message indicating that it is currently closed. Click on the Reactivate Store button to begin the reactivation process. Next, review and agree to the Shopify Terms of Service and the Shopify Payments Terms of Service if applicable. You must agree to these terms in order to reactivate your store. After agreeing to the terms, you will be prompted to select a plan and enter your billing information. Choose a plan that suits your business needs and enter your payment details. If you had a plan prior to closing your store, you may be able to reactivate that plan. If not, you will need to select a new plan and enter your payment information. Once you have selected a plan and entered your billing information, click on the Reactivate Store button to complete the reactivation process. Your store will now be reactivated and you can begin selling products again. It is also important to note that if your store was closed due to non-payment, you may need to pay any outstanding fees before you can reactivate it. Additionally, if you have any third-party apps or integrations, you may need to reinstall or reconfigure them after reactivating your store. By following these steps, you can easily reactivate your Shopify store and get back to selling products to your customers. Remember to always review and agree to the terms of service and select a plan that suits your business needs.